Okay. Go to get data. This one. Now, I hope this is the Excel sheet, right? Yosho Potter list, right? It's getting loaded. So take all these three Excel sheet. Okay. Before loading it, you should transform it. So I will click on transform so that I can remove each and every error and unwanted columns, whatever is there. I can remove them and I can work freely. So for that. So here you can see address 1, address 2, address 3, those kind of things are there. It's not that important. If you want, you can find some insights out of it. Okay. For now, I'm deleting them. Okay. Just remove. Then remove this one also. Okay. I'm keeping on only this city and state. Okay. Now you can apply the same thing that I already told you regarding that Indian states and district. You can apply the same thing over here. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? The concept is
Ma'am,
clear to all of you? Hello?
for all the three cases, for
Yes.
all the three cases, we
Can you
need to do
please
same.
speak loudly? I'm not able to hear.
For all the three cases, we need to do same, ma'am. For
Yes,
mobile,
yes.
online class, and
Yes,
toys.
yes. If you are getting some insights out of the other columns, you proceed with that. This is one idea that I told you. Okay. Also remember one more thing. Some people may be facing errors. So for that, go to remove errors. There is go to remove rows. There is one option called remove errors. Apply that one. Okay. So, and then apply this remove blank rows. Okay. Then you can save it. Okay, regarding this column also you can do in the same manner. Here there is nothing, null thing, I mean nothing is there in this particular column. Okay, I'm removing it. This one also I'm going to remove. Okay. Like this you have to remove whatever unnecessary things are there like pin code. It won't make much, it won't give you much insight. So remove those things whichever is not giving you much insights and all. Keep others and try to find out how many times it is occurring. So it will give you like top cities, top consumer cities or top consumer states like that. Okay. So in that way you have to proceed. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? I'm closing it right now. I can't
Yes,
tell
it
you
is.
each and everything because it is a task for you. You yourself have to understand that what is to be done. So I will explain the earlier thing once again so that you can connect both of those. Okay. So I'm taking again this Indian state and district. There it is. Okay. This is our sample data set. Okay. Transform. Okay. So here, this one is unnecessary. I'm removing it. Okay. This first column is, the first row is also unwanted. I am removing that one too. So for that, I have to go to remove rows and there is first option that is remove top rows. I am removing only first row because it is somewhat unwanted. And now I want this first row to be the header. So for that, I will choose this option that is use first row as headers. Okay. Now it is all okay. Right. Now I will click on close and apply. When I will click on close and apply, those changes will get reflected in Power BI desktop. Earlier it was in Power Query Editor. And now those changes got reflected in Power BI desktop. Okay, now here the table will appear. Those who missed yesterday's session, they can go through the recordings and I have already shared the PPT also. you can do the installation with the help of that thing. Okay, that you can do by yourself. That's why I'm not explaining that thing. This one I will tell you. Okay, so here, like if you want to understand that how many districts are there in a particular state, so you can get an idea from this table. Okay, here you can see Uttar Pradesh is repeated how many number of times, the number of districts it is having. Okay, right, isn't it? If there are 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh, then Uttar Pradesh, this in this particular column, Uttar Pradesh is being repeated 75 times. And Madhya Pradesh is being, sorry, like that, each and every states are being repeated that many number of times only. Okay. Corresponding to Madhya Pradesh, it is being repeated 55 number of times. That's why we can say that there are 55 districts in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So using that logic, what I will do, I will first of all choose any of the usual. I am taking this horizontal bar chart. Okay. Now I'm taking this state over y-axis, and when I will put state over y-axis means here the names of states will come. Okay. And here count should come. Okay. So for that I'm taking this state over x-axis. Automatically it will become count of states. Now you can see Uttar Pradesh, how many times it is, I mean 75 times. Uttar Pradesh is appearing. Count of state is equal to 75, which gives us an idea that, okay, there are 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, so this was regarding, and if you want to give them labels that, okay, this particular bar is showing this much amount. Okay. Here values are there, but if you want to find the exact values this particular bars they are having, you have to move your cursor over there. But if you want to see everything all together, you have to go to format. Okay, there you can see data labels option is there. When you will click on, you can see Uttar Pradesh 75, Madhya Pradesh 55, Bihar 38, Tamil Nadu 38, Maharashtra 36, like that. So here it will show you that each and every state and union territory is having how many districts, right? So the same logic you can apply in your first task also. There you can understand like which are the top consumer states and which are the top consumer cities. Like how many times they are getting repeated will give you the idea. Clear, everyone? Okay. So you can make this particular chart into some another forms also. Like you have to go to this add data to your visual. Okay. If you want to make it as a pie chart, you can go with this thing. Okay. Now it will show you. This is the biggest slice. Okay. It is showing Uttar Pradesh. Right. So when you were having this horizontal table, horizontal bar chart, you can change the colors of it. For that, you have to go to format. Okay. If you are not satisfied with the font size, you can change that one too. Okay. First of all, I'm going to change the font size. Later, we will move on to the colors of columns. Okay. So in y-axis, I'm making this one big. Okay, so that it is clearly visible. Okay, now Uttar Pradesh thing, Madhya Pradesh, everything is clearly visible. Okay, I can change the color also. I'm making it pure black. Okay, now regarding title, it is also very small in size. So what I'm going to do, I will click on this drop down corresponding to the title, and I will make its font size clearly big. I can make it bold also. Okay. So this is how I can do it, right? Now, if I want to change the color, I can do that. I'm taking red color. Okay. That was regarding which one? Y-axis. Okay. Now regarding x-axis, I can do the similar changes. Like values, I can increase. So it will increase these values. Okay. These values. Okay, now it is clearly visible, I hope. I'm changing its color. Now regarding title, it is showing count of state. Instead of count of state, if I want something else like number of districts, okay, I can do that thing. Okay, clear? Now the same change is reflected over here. Now it is showing number of districts. Okay, so now I'm going to change the font size of it, right? Okay, let us change the color to red. Okay, and let us make it bold also. Okay, so this is how things are. Now let us move on to next thing, that is grid lines. So these are the grid lines, okay? Here you can see small dots over here. If you want a solid grid line, in the style you can choose it as solid, okay? Now you can see the continuous line over here, okay? If you want to change the color so that it is somewhat more visible, you can take appropriate visible color. I am taking black, okay? Now it is quite visible. If you want a light color, you can go with that too. Okay, that's your choice. Now, if you this zoom slider also you can use. I'm putting it on, and when I will drag like this, okay. Okay. See here. You can see minute changes also with the help of the zoom slider option. Okay. So that is regarding zoom slider. I'm keeping it off itself right now. Now, if you want to change the color of bars, in that case, you have to go to bars. Click the drop down. Okay. Guys, my voice is clear to you? Should I increase my voice? Anyone?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. So here by default it is blue in color. Okay. If we want different colors for different bar, so in that case, in this show all it is off. So we have to make it on. Now when we will make it on for each and everything, like for Uttar Pradesh, it is showing blue color. For each and everything, it is showing blue color. We can change that one. Okay. So I'm taking Uttar Pradesh. I'm giving it color some violet. Okay. And regarding Madhya Pradesh, I am taking red color. And regarding Bihar, I am taking this yellow color. Okay. For Tamil Nadu, let us take this gray color. Okay. For Maharashtra, let us take some another colors. Like I am taking this green color. Okay. For Assam, I am taking this color. Okay. Like this, we can change colors according to our wish. Okay. Whatever colors we want, we can change them accordingly. Okay. So I hope these things are clear to all of you. Right? Everyone? You can change colors of bars according to your wish that you can do. I mean, there are a lot of states and union territories. You can do that, I guess. So no need to explain. So if you want to alter the spacing, there is one option called spacing. Spacing means spacing in between these bars. Okay. When I will click on the drop down and when I will change it, you can see the, okay. Right now you can see this bar became little thin and its spacing got increased, right? So like this you can do. Data labels I already explained. If you want these data labels to be big in size, click on the drop down. Okay. Now here in values, you can change the font size. Okay. It is very big. If you want, you can change it accordingly. Like this you can do. Now, if you want to change its color, you can do that. I am taking blue color. Blue, if it is not looking appropriate, take any another color. Pink color I am taking. Okay. Now, regarding background, you can put some background color also for this numbers. Okay. So I'm making it on, and I'm taking color as some light color, this color I will be taking. Okay. Now it is not showing those colors because transparency is 90%. When I will decrease the transparency, you can see the colors. Okay. This is background color of different labels. Okay, that's it. And regarding plot area background, you can put some images also. Here you can put some image. I am taking this one, and let us take the image. Your shop's image I am taking. Okay. You can put image like this. Is it clear, everyone? Guys, all clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can try some other graphs also. Okay. I'm going to take one another data set. Okay. From get data, I'm taking Excel sheet. And here I'm taking the Zomato clean, this one. Okay. And I'm choosing this one. Now it will appear over here. Since it's a clean data, I'm directly loading it. And it will take some time because it is having 41,000 plus rows. No, it is right now it is only 34, right? Okay. So I can rename it. Okay. I'm going to rename it Zomato. Okay. Now, regarding this table, you can actually find what things are there within it. Okay, you have to click on this table. Okay, now it is showing different rows and columns. The first column is regarding numbers only. It's not that important. Now, moving on to this second column, it is showing you restaurants. When you will click on this inverted triangle, it will show you different restaurant names of different restaurants. Okay. So, and this one is regarding online order, whether online order facility is there or not in this particular restaurant. It is showing that thing, yes or no, is the only two unique values over there. Regarding book table, whether book table facility is there or not in this particular restaurant, it is showing that thing. Okay, here also yes and no. That's it. Now, regarding rating, it's ranges between 0 to 4.9. Okay. Now, regarding votes, it ranges between 0 to 1065. Okay. Regarding location, these many locations are there. Okay. Majority of them are in Bangalore. Okay. Now, this rest type means restaurant types. These many subtypes of restaurants are there. Okay. Now I will show you another thing, that is type. Okay. It shows broadly classify different types of restaurants, and it is this rest type is actually subcategory of it. Okay. And cuisines, you already know different types of cuisines like North Indian, South Indian, then continental, Italian, Chinese, those kind of cuisines are there. Okay. And regarding cost, it is the cost of two people. If two people are going over the restaurant, and what will be the average cost, it reflects that thing. Okay. So it ranges between 40 to some 6,000. Okay. So that is the thing. It is this data set is actually for rate prediction. I have used it for just to explain some usuals and all. Okay. So the table is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm taking a donut chart. Okay, I will show you once again. This is donut chart. So I'm taking this one. Okay, now here it is somewhat similar to pie chart. And always remember one thing, whenever you are making a dashboard, try to make the background of dashboard either white, yellow, or black. Okay, that would be more appropriate. Majority of data analysts use those colors in order to make their background look beautiful. Okay, and regarding this pie chart and donut chart, people are more, fond of donut chart more than pie chart. Okay, so I'm taking a donut chart, and in Zomato, I'm taking this type. Okay, I'm putting this type over legend. Legend means these options, whatever slices should be there. Okay, different slices. It is showing that legend. Okay, now I'm taking this any numerical column, that is rating I am taking. Okay, now it is showing me ratings. It is actually showing me ratings in sum. Okay, for delivery you can see 49,718. Always ratings are in average. Okay, so what I have to do, by default, when I will right click over this rating, okay, in values rating is there. When I will right click over there, I will find by default sum is chosen. I will choose this average. Okay, now you can see which one is on the top. Drink and nightlife is on the top. Okay, it is having 16% of total, right? Okay, so that was regarding donut chart. Now let us make some other charts like funnel chart. Okay, this is funnel chart. Here, the top value, whatever top bar is there, that will come at the top, and I mean whatever thing is having largest value, that will come at the top, and the one with smallest value will come at the bottom. So I'm taking this. Which one should I take? Okay, book table. Book table won't be appropriate. Let us take type itself, and let us take votes here. Okay. So here also we can apply the same thing that we have done in bar chart. Okay, we can change this column colors, we can change the font, everything we can do. Similar way, okay. For this donut chart, I am doing that thing, okay, corresponding to legend. If I want to change the text size, I will do that. This is legend, okay, it's getting changed. Okay. And if I want the these are labels, okay, detail labels. These are labels. Okay, if I want to change its size, I can do that thing. Okay, go to values. There, I will increase it like this. Okay, now it is somewhat more visible. Okay, so nice. I can change the color of slices also. Okay, for that, go to first of all, choose this particular visual. Go to format. There you can see slices options are there. Okay, click on the those slices. You can make it some of some another color like I am doing. Okay. Okay, so brown. Like this, you can change colors according to your wish. Okay, whatever things you want to change, you can do that. Right? I hope it is clear to all of you. Donut chart. Okay. You can do rotations also. Right now it is at 0 degree. If you want to change, you can do, you can rotate it like this. Okay, so these are the things. Now regarding funnel chart, okay, here funnel chart, I'm taking the same thing, right? Type and votes. This was type and rating, and this is corresponding to type and votes. Now here also I can do similar changes, like I can change the color of this bars. Okay, for that go to colors and put it on. Okay, regarding dye out, I'm taking brown color, then green color. Okay, choose whatever you want. Okay, that's it. Now here also similar way you can change the font and rest of the things. Like this is data labels, 1 million, 1 million, 0 million, like that. Okay. So if you want to change its size, go to values, increase its size. Right? And this is legend. Okay. So let us see where it is. This was regarding data labels. Now this is categorical label. Sorry, it is not legend. And you can increase its size also. Okay. So this is how you can do. And that's it. Okay, so this is funnel chart. The biggest value will be shown at the top and smallest value will be at the bottom. Okay, now you can use some tree map also. Okay, for tree map, let us take another page. That would be better. Okay, tree map. And and I'm taking this location over categories. Okay. And let us take this location over values and let us see. Okay. When I'm putting both location in values and categories, so here what is happening, it is values will accept always the numerical thing. So that's why it is taking count of location. So through this, we can understand that which particular location, which particular location is how many times repeated. That means how many restaurants are there in a particular location. So BTM is having maximum number of restaurants. Okay. See, I will tell you how. Restaurants is repeated, is not being repeated. It's always unique in this entire column. Okay. Location is getting repeated. And when you will, in tree map, when you will put location in both category as well as values, what will happen? It will show you in a particular location how many restaurants are there. Okay, so if BTM is having maximum number of restaurants, when I will put the data label on, I can see this is data label. Okay, when I will put this data label on, I can see how many number of restaurants are there in a particular location. Okay, so if I want to do some changes like legend, not required. Legend is not required. Okay, general. Okay, here I'm going to increase the size of it. Okay. And category labels, here also I will increase the size so that location is clearly visible. Okay. So here you can see corresponding to BTM, this is the number of location at this particular number of restaurants. Okay. So it shows that this is somewhat a posh area. It is having maximum number of restaurants. So that kind of insights you can get out of it. Right. So this is all about tree map. Sorry. So this is about tree map. Now, if you want, you can go through this line chart. Okay. There are many views. You can explore them, all of them one by one. Okay. So I'm taking this restaurants over x-axis. Okay. Here everything will appear, whatever restaurant names are there. And I'm taking this cost in y-axis. Now this will show me cafe coffee day. It is having the highest cost. That means some luxury cuisines will be there. Okay, isn't it? So that is the thing. If you want to take the average, you can do so. I'm taking some only. Average would be more appropriate. Okay. So majority of dishes in this particular restaurant is having highest price. Okay. Approximately 6,000 it is there. So this shows you average cost of different restaurants. Okay. This is line chart. If you're applying a donut chart over here, okay, if you're choosing donut chart instead of it, what will happen? It will look very clumsy. You can't take a donut chart for these cases or pie chart for this kind of things. Okay, or tree map. Tree map will also look very clumsy. So in those cases, you have to choose this line chart. It would be more clear. Okay, or area chart also you can choose. Okay, so it depends which kind of variable you are dealing with. Depending on that, you have to choose the visuals. Okay, here also you can change colors, you can do same alteration. I'm not repeating it because it is already covered. Okay, so now let us make map. Okay, so I'm taking field map, and for that I will be choosing this particular set. Okay, I'm taking this field map regarding the first table, states and districts. Okay, and I'm taking this state over location, and I'm taking this same state over legend. Now you can see different state in different colors. Okay, so this is a field map. Okay, now let us choose this normal map. Okay, for that I am taking the second data set. Okay, I'm putting this location over here, right? it will show me different things, different location where the restaurants are there. Now, when I will go to format, before that, one more thing. If I want each and every location in different colors, I have to put the location in legend also, and it will show me different colors, different locations here. Okay, like what are the location names are also written. Okay, now if I want to show that which is having more ratings, okay, so I will put the rating over bubble size. Accordingly, the bubble size will change. Okay, since I want average only, I will take this average option. So accordingly, it's getting changed. Okay, so that is the thing. You can try them one by one, everything. Right? In case of legend, if I'm taking some another things like restaurant types, so let us see what is happening. So here you can see pie chart. So this is how we can make pie chart in a map. Okay, corresponding to different, type restaurant type. It will show you which restaurant types are available in different locations. Okay. Sometimes it happens in same location, you can find different types of restaurants. So that's why it is showing so. Now, instead of type, if I'm taking book table over here, you can see the change. Only two options are there in book table, right? Yes and no. That's why it is showing this change. I hope it is clear to all of you guys. Okay.
But the map showing is not correct, right? It is showing North America,
Yeah.
total
Sometimes it
space.
happens that same names will be there in different locations. Like in Hyderabad is then there in Pakistan also, right? So it happens
Yeah, okay.
sometimes.
Okay.
Because only location name is there, country name is not there, na?
Yeah, all right.
So sometimes it may happen.
Ma'am, how to get the knowledge of what to add where, like values, in values what we have to add, or in domain what we should have, like that?
See, it
Any
depends
idea or
upon the
any
problem
strategy?
statement that you're having. Sometimes if like if you have to deal with ratings, everything you will compare with ratings, right? If you want to see what is ratings, if the problem statement is do the analysis of ratings in different restaurants in Bangalore according to this data set. So then according to rating, you will put all the variables and you may take some other variable relation also so as to identify if there is correlation or not like that. So it depends upon the problem statement that you are having. If you're dealing with an e-commerce data, so accordingly your whatever insights you should find, that will change. If you're dealing with an educational institution data, accordingly your motive will change. So it depends on which data set you are working with. Okay, it will actually we will learn it by through experience only. By doing different tasks only we will learn that thing. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So one more thing. Still 2 minutes are left. Okay. If you want to put some some dash, whatever insights you are getting, if you want to show that thing, you can use this text box. Okay. And you can put whatever things you know about these things. Like I'm writing like, okay, BTM is a posh area. Okay. Like that. Okay. I can increase the size of it. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about this buttons, images and all. Okay, because time, very less time is left. So that's why. So you can increase its size. Okay. Oh, sorry. There was a spelling mistake. Okay, so whatever insights you are getting, you can put it in a text box. Or if you want to give some, heading also, you can use this text box. So that is how you will use text box. Button we usually use to experience some page navigation and all. Okay. So guys, so you started working on task 1, all of you?
Yes, started. I
Okay.
started doing in Tableau actually, but there was some issue in
Try
my
with Power
Power BI.
BI because we are supposed to do everything in Power BI right now. Okay.
Yes, it is
How
showing some
to
error
share,
for me in Power
how
BI.
to share it to you, ma'am, after
Yeah.
completion?
After completion, what you have to do, you have to save your files in a folder and upload that folder in your drive. And when you will open the folder, you will get a drive link. Share that drive link to me, mail that to me. Okay.